Alright, this is Eric with Jacksonville Wealth Builders outside of 8412 India. I'm going to go for a walk inside, see how everything looks. We've got our brick fascia up. Coming inside, everyone's working hard to finish the trim on the house. As you can see, the trim is in, door frames, doors. Everything's getting ready for paint. Should be painted in the next few days. Walk upstairs. After we paint, all of our electricians, air conditioner, plumbers will come in and do their finish trim. And finish mounting the door hardware, the AC grills, and everything else.